For over 100 years, Baillie Lumber has been serving the needs of the hardwood lumber industry. Our unmatched supply and industry expertise, together with our passion to serve, ensures you have access to the right hardwoods at the right price and time. As a global leader in the hardwood lumber industry, we serve manufacturers and distributors and can ship hardwood lumber to any region of the world. We are proud to be part of an industry and to be a manufacturer of products that contribute to a greener tomorrow. We understand our success starts in the forest, and we are committed to sustainable forest management practices. Our timber harvesting programs are based on selective harvesting techniques and can be adapted to a variety of forest management goals. At Baillie, we strive to be accessible and responsive. We pursue excellence in all we do, and we pride ourselves on being relationship-driven in all aspects of business. Our main products include hardwood logs, hardwood lumber, and specialty or proprietary grade lumber solutions. We provide all the major North American species, as well as some of the most popular tropical hardwoods from Africa, Central, and South America. In addition, we specialize in providing custom sorts, exact rip-to-width lumber, and S4S molded boards to further help our customers increase yields and improve operational efficiencies. But in the end, we believe it's our people that make the difference. Don't waste time and energy worrying about your hardwood needs. Leave your frustration and anxiety behind and move forward with confidence. Choose Baillie as your trusted advisor and supplier. Let us help you succeed. Contact us today.